Welcome back. Bienvenidos.
Los hice hace 4 años.
I made and sold these 4 years ago. Sandalia descalza. Cupe mis pies, patino mucho. Tipo de hilo, yarn type, Burnett Home Deck yarn.
Longitud de envoltura del hilo 70,7 centímetros alrededor del dedo del pie. Luego 4 a 5 nudos espirales de medio enganche.
Add on 5 more strands, 2 to the left, 2 to the right, and 1 over the middle. You will need to tie a knot in the middle before adding the middle one on, because it goes around the middle knot.
5 piezas de hilo más con una en el centro.
Get everything organized, the 2 to the left, the 2 to the right, and in the middle, the 4 strands, including the one that wrapped around the middle toe. Excuse my feet, I spend a lot of time on them and I skate roller derby a lot.
Organiza todos los 2 a la izquierda de 2 a la derecha.
Make 3 square knots, 1 on the left, 1 in the middle, 1 on the right. 3 nudos cuadrados. Skip 2 strands, then make a square knot with 4. Make another square knot right beside that, and then skip the last 2.
Saltar 2 hilos, hacer un nudo cuadrado. Luego haz otro nudo cuadrado. Salta los 2 últimos.
Now skip 4, make a square knot in the middle, skip the last 4. So just 1 square knot in the middle. Saltar los primeros 4, hacer un nudo cuadrado en el medio, saltar los últimos 4. Separar uniformemente a la izquierda, derecha, or separate evenly to left and right. Begin 2 rows of double half hitch on the right, and then you're going to do the same thing on the left. Empieza 2 filas de doble medio enganche. Esta parte se acelera. This part is sped up. Repeat the previous pattern on left. Repetir el anterior. Here, pull them to the back. Bundle everything and make an overhand knot on the left and right respectively. So the overhand knot should fall slightly behind your ankles.
El nudo por encima debería caer ligeramente detrás de los tobillos.
Precioso. Beautiful. Gracias. Thank you so much for watching another Elle on the Moon tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you didn't judge my feet too much. And I hope you come back and subscribe. You're welcome to use these or sell these. Just be sure and credit Elle on the Moon. If you don't, I probably won't know anyhow. Paso adelante. Step on out. Thanks for watching.